Hi class, my name is Alyssa Biber for those who I've not met yet through this program. I currently work at Bowling Green Brandywine, which is a drug and alcohol treatment center, as a counselor too. And I recently just started this job in April, and I'm very excited to be where I'm at currently in my career. What I have liked about my courses so far, I can agree that it is very interesting in learning new techniques and developments that can help me every single day hands-on in the field. For example, in one of the courses, we learned a technique by using talking papers and nonviolent communication, and these are two techniques I've actually used personally and recently within the field. And that is really cool that I'm getting to learn new tools and ideas and how to better understand the clients that I will be serving. What am I looking forward to or not looking forward to in this class? I can agree that I'm not really looking forward to the reading. I understand reading is a huge part of this course in order to understand what we're talking about, but I do have two young kids balancing a full-time job. I'm currently also moving at the same time, so I'm going to be having a big challenge ahead of me with all that reading. But I am looking forward to exploring the topic of social justice within this realm of social work. My background is in criminal justice. That's the degree, my bachelor's degree, and I am very passionate about a lot of social justice topics or issues. So I feel like this is going to be a very interesting and fun class, and I look forward to working with everyone, and great to meet everyone.